My goodness, what on earth is that? He's
He's
been. Has he? My gosh, he's left a bit of a mess.
Look out there.
Look out here.
Hey?
He didn't take it.
No, I think he might have eaten it all and put it back in. He's like a tidy kiwi.
You left all the rubbish in there.
He's just about choked on his carrot, I think.
Have a look out the door.
Oh, they did it last year.
Look at that poo out there. That's a whopper.
It's a reindeer poo.
There's a reindeer poo on the drive.
They always then they leave nursery toys on when we were at our house when I was just turned 3.
They're messy little.
Is that right?
Messy reindeer. And Santa's not much either. Want me to help you get that out?
Oh, me.
There you go.
That for?
Will you open it and see? Oh.
A mushroom belly.
Goodness me.
Awesome.
I want a mushroom belly.
I didn't even know that's what they were called. How did you know they were called that?
Musher belly, aren't they? Give him a squeeze. There he goes. What's that? What is it?
Santa got the right dolly.
What do you reckon?
Is that a baby alive?
What is it, Brooklyn?
It's a baby alive, and when you put the bottle in its mouth, it starts to drink the milk, and when you take it out, it starts crying.
That's right.
I don't know if it does when you do that, does it? When you touch your...
Don't they run?
Bloody cold, isn't it?
What is that?
I don't know, darling. What's that he's left you?
See the
that's
flesh.
Papa. Is that what you're wondering about? That's Papa walking around.
Aww, cute. I love it, Johnny.
And it flashes. I think you can put it in the bath by the looks of it.
Very cute.
Yep, it does.
Is there more? Man, that must mean you're going to have to be a good girl for another whole year.
Santa wet them up goodly, eh?
Goodly.
Aww, I needed new pens.
You did too.
How did he know?
See?
What's this
You
hat?
know I was going to get a baby alive.
Yeah, I knew you could get a baby like that. Santa Claus told me.
Because you can put it on your bed.
Yeah.
Just because you can put it on your
What's
bed.
all the rubbish out the door?
See?
Hey?
Well, like the reindeers last year, they just did 3 loads of it on ours.
Oh no.
There's a big poo there though too.
Look at the sultanas down here. He must have been in a hurry.
He must have been in a hurry,
Aye.
hasn't he? You haven't got another one, have you?
No, there must
They've
be
had a
out.
good investigation.
I think that's it, bud.
I'll go and get the one.